What's going on, everybody? You're tuning into Rookie Outdoor Learners. In this video, as the description mentions, this is a video dedicated to hunting an alligator. We went to an area where it's kind of a community for those who have suffered from mental injuries. We had a nuisance gator that we had to get rid of. And so, if you don't want to see this video, feel free to check out another one. There's going to be two separate videos. In the description is going to be a video that leads to the link with the actual kill in it, for those who want to know how we got rid of the alligator. And then this video is going to be kind of more the friendly one, what you see on Gator Boys and so forth. So, thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get to the video.
Well, y'all, we just got here to the gator property. Got a 12-foot gator that they just had over there for a nuisance gator. I don't know if that's the one we're gonna hunt, but pretty cool stuff. But just waiting on Mr. Cary, and then we're gonna go out and bag and tag one. So stay tuned, y'all. Ready, Mr. Cary?
I'm ready.
I'm excited. I'm pumped.
Don't talk loud. In fact, I prefer everybody just quiet. I'll get him hooked. I'm gonna hand you the rod. You fight him. Don't let him get any slack, because that hook doesn't necessarily puncture the skin. Sure. It's just a grapple. A gator this size may puncture.
Oh, missed him.
No. 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 No.
Got him.
Come on up.
All right, Mr. Cary. There's your gator.
You got me on video?
Absolutely, Mr. Cary.
I got a big one. That's not a really big one. He's hooked good. Oh shit, he's not happy.
You're crazy.
Keep reeling?
Yep. Hold up.
Oh my lord. That's crazy.
Better than snapping on a tree, right?
Yep. Well, that ain't.
I couldn't even imagine like a 12-footer on that thing.
Well, the 12-footer is like my thumb, but 6 hours to get.
Let's hope this doesn't take 6 hours.
Yeah.
No, you back up. I could have hooked him, but it just would have messed him up. Not what it didn't look like. Oh. It's way.
Yeah, in Texas they have chicken. That, yeah.
125 pounds.
Yeah, 125 pounds. He ain't doing it yet.
Hell no. I say you're fighting a dinosaur right now.
He'll tire out. Alright,
You ain't wicked.
I need one of them little fighting beers to put on here.
Like belt?
Yeah.
So you got a
I just want.
There's
There's
a
a
culvert
culvert
here.
If he goes in,
Oh,
Keep him going in that culvert.
No,
Okay.
this ain't it.
If he goes in that culvert, he'll break that line.
okay.
He is tame, and that's very nuisance to these people here, isn't
Oh
it?
yeah, you can't.
A wild gator. Well, I say wild, he's wild, but a gator that wasn't too friendly. Right. Long been gone after I looked at him the first time. Long, yeah. You wouldn't see him no more.
He's right here all that.
Oh yeah.
He's swim.
Was that him right there, or is that?
No, that's
Them
grass.
bubbles is him. On the bottom.
Gotta come up to me.
Does he?
How long can they stay down for?
Well, pulling on him with that rod makes him exhaust a lot. He can stay down for longer than you want to wait on him.
Yeah.
He just lays on the bottom and sits.
There goes that tarpon.
I think I lost a nut. Hi, buddy.
Yeah, he's not too happy to see you.
That other one was a male.
This a male?
I don't know about this one, but that other one I thought was female. I swore that was female. I checked him when I got home.
So-
Got male.
What do you think he's at? Like 6.5?
He's like that.
7?
Cary wants to make a pair of boots, and this one looks like he's pretty young.
And you had said that. See, you never
Good
know. Is he? All right. Walk this way. Not like he's fighting the balls. Only got one left.
Oh, there he is. There he is.
Oh yeah.
Hold tight.
Oh, jeez.
I was holding the line, didn't want to let it go loose.
And he's like, I don't like that.
It's not big. Pretty. Oh, he's 12 years old, man.
Oh, is he really?
8 to 12. He might be closer to the 8 because he's got lots and lots of damn food in here.
12-year gator on the line. 12-year dinosaur. Oh, there he is. Holy hell.
Is he right there?
Yeah, he's right at the bank. I saw something come up. There he is, right there.
You ever had him charge you? That's great. I found next pair of underbreakers.
There he, oh my lord.
Huh? Pulls down.
There he is.
So if he runs off the line and come out, catch him, let me catch him.
Well, I want you to catch him. And I
All
stab
right,
him.
well, you hold this.
No, get behind. Oh, you're
And
filming.
Don't
I'm
let him go. I'm
Get
going
behind me, Adele. Might have to grab my 129-pound little skinny.
Don't let him go, because that one right there cost me $120,000 to put my hand back together last night. He's a whole lot safer than he was.
Is he tired?
No, I got his mouth taped a little bit. Tape rope. Dale, you catch me by the belt loop system. I like it. Come on up here and watch that hook. I don't know where the other hook is, just kneel down on him right here.
Right there.
Shit on him right there. Put knee here and knee here. Knee there and knee there. All right, this is not a lot clean.
Gary?
Yeah, baby!
Gator down, baby.
There you go, baby.
Oh, that's a picture right there. Female gator. And so that was a 7-foot gator, 7'4" gator. Big old girl. Dang. How's it feeling, Scary?
Girl. That's my girl, baby. Look at that. Pair of boots. Pair of boots coming.
Well, there you have it, y'all. We had a lot of fun bagging and tagging that gator. Got to help out the community quite a bit doing that. I just want to say, for those that didn't want to watch the kill video in the description, the gator did have a very quick and humane death. He was out in just a couple seconds. Even using a knife like that, we were able to put him down very quickly and humanely. So it was best that we did it that way, especially we didn't want to make a lot of noise and make a lot of disturbance. We just want to be in and out. And so I want to thank personally Glenn and Mr. Cary for letting me go on that hunt. That was an amazing time. I sure no doubt will probably be seeing Glenn and Mr. Cary in the future doing that again. And so if you guys want to look at going into gator hunts, I'm going to leave Glenn's website down in the description below. Make sure to check that out. He can do both public and private guided hunts, and he'd be, more than happy to get you set up with, gator of a lifetime. This guy is a real deal, and it's a lot of fun, y'all. I can't lie. It's a lot of fun. And so I want to thank you guys for personally coming into this video and checking it out. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, and also put some comments down below. What do you guys want to see? Do you want to see some of the meat being cooked? Do you have questions about like the difference between public and private land hunting for gators? Because there are very vast differences between that. The things that we did in this video you cannot necessarily do on public land, and so just want to say that right now. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope to see you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe again, and have a great day, y'all, and go bag and tag a gator. Bye.